Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Wrangler tire. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake firmly. Gather your essential tools, the jack, lug wrench, and your fully inflated spare tire. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure tire change. Now, before lifting, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise about 1/2 turn, just enough to break them free. Don't remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the Jeep's frame near the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground, allowing it to spin freely. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the loosened lug nuts. Carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Gently push it onto the hub. Once it's seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring the spare is snug against the hub. Finally, lower the Jeep until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Once they are all tight, lower the vehicle completely to the ground and remove the jack. Don't forget to check the spare tire's pressure and store your flat tire properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.